Hi Amber, I've decided to change my magazine topic to be technology and design. So, this is my rough draft of the cover design, and I am really just trying to figure out how to add a new color swatch. And just move this over here really quick. So, I want to add a swatch, so I go into my swatches, new color swatch, and then I want to be able to add the RGB numbers, so I just click on RGB there. Man, maybe the add to CC library is what I need to do, but anyway, so I have this color that I want, so I copy and paste it in here like so, and then I guess I can click that and see if it works. I don't really want to create a new library. I just want to add it to my swatches, really. So regardless of whether I click that, it's not showing here. Add. It just, as you can see, it just adds this black swatch here. So, let me just try it with this. But this is here, but it doesn't do anything. It doesn't update anything. Here's my libraries. Now I need to create a group. And look, here it is, right here, the black. So how can I add a swatch in InDesign? I even Googled it and didn't really, I don't know, the answers weren't great, and I was hoping you could help me out. Anyways, so I'll get that from you whenever. But also, just to kind of chat a little bit about my magazine. So the title is Technology and Design. As you can see, my first, as you open the pages, or as you immediately open the magazine, it's going to be a article called Technology and the Future of Design, What's Next? So you can kind of see my call out here. This is rough draft. I actually want to change the color of this and kind of integrate it a little bit here and do like one call out like this, and then maybe have a couple call outs down here. Or I don't know. I'm still playing with how I'm going to do the call outs. Followed by, so it's going to be the first page as you turn like so to the left. It's the beginning of this article. To the page directly to the right will be a full page image that's directly correlates to the article. Then as I turn the page, it'll be the rest of the article on the left, and then on the right will be the full page ad. I'm thinking like an iPhone ad, or maybe an Adobe Illustrator ad. Probably like some sort of Apple ad, I think would be perfect for this magazine. Followed by another article. As I turn the page, it will be the 8 do's and don'ts of starting a graphic design business, which I thought would be just really interesting information for me to have regardless. So I figured I'd put it in. I think it's a perfect article also for this magazine. And then that will take up the last 2 pages. And then the back is going to be the invitation to describe the month, year, and publication, the social media. As I'm looking, most of these online magazines have the month and year of publication on the front. I don't know if you're flexible with that. I feel like from last class you kind of mentioned you weren't, so that's fine if you aren't. I'm also trying to find, since this is supposed to be an online magazine, I'm trying to find examples of online magazines and make it look more online magazine-y and less kind of supermarket magazine-y. So that's why it's going to be a little cleaner. I'm not like the call outs, I think, are going to be less in your face. I might even kind of make that call out a little bit smaller. I can kind of show you what has been what I've been looking at as, so these are my kind of inspiration magazines. So this right here is where I kind of love this blue color here. My main inspiration is, if I can find it. So as you can see, my image kind of does this a little bit. So that's kind of, right here, this slush right here. So I kind of like how it has the summer issue. So as you can see right here, this has like the issue, and look, September, here's the date, the issue, volume, April volume. I'm just kind of seeing like right here again, a lot of, kind of dates and issue numbers on the top. I see these small call outs right here. I think it's modern and nice, and I like it. So yeah, so I am working on the call outs, but this is where I'm really like these magazine styles. I just think it's, oh, here we go. These call outs are a little more, even though it's a little in your face, it's still not too much. So I just kind of want to keep it a little bit low key. I like this too. It's really nice. So anyways, oh, very little even. That's really cool. But anyways, this is just kind of where I am with my magazine since I was completely ill prepared in class the other day. So any feedback is helpful, and then of course how to do a swatch, color swatch, please. Okay, thanks. Have a good weekend.